The second row seats in your vehicle can be adjusted for additional legroom and comfort. To adjust the seat position, lift up on the bar under the front of the seat, move to the desired position, and release the bar. To adjust the recline angle, lift the lever on the outboard side of the seat, or pull the recline strap on the center seat back, and move forward or backward as desired, then release. Second row seats can slide forward to allow easier access to the third row. Press the Easy Entry button on the outboard side of the seat back to slide the seat forward. To return the seat, push it back into position until it locks into place. The second and third row seats in your vehicle can be folded flat for additional storage. If equipped, a one-touch power folding seat switch bank is located on the right rear trim panel inside the cargo area. From here, you can fold the second and third row seats with the push of a button. The third row seats can be unfolded as well. There are also power folding switches for the third row seats located on the C-pillars, just behind the rear doors on the trim panels. Outboard second and third row head restraints will lower automatically when the seats are lowered. You can also lower the second and the third row head restraint manually by pressing the headrest fold button in the Uconnect system. You'll have to manually raise the second and third row headrests after returning the seats to the upright position. Your vehicle may be equipped with manual fold-flat second and third row seats. To lower the outboard second row seat backs on either bench seats or captain's chairs, pull up on the recline lever located on the outboard side of the seat and let the seat back fold forward automatically. To lower the center seat back, pull the recline strap and let the seat back fold forward automatically. To return the seat back to its original position, raise it up until it locks into place. To manually fold either of the third row seats, pull on the release straps located on both sides of the rear cargo area near the bottom of the seat. To raise the seat, pull the seat back up and push back to lock it into place. Or pull the return straps located in the rear cargo area on the back of the seat. The second row seats must be in their full upright position or folded flat when folding the third row seats. Keep in mind, third row seat belts should be placed behind the stow clips before folding or opening the third row seats. Be sure to remove them from the clips when the seats are occupied. This video is not intended to take the place of your owner's manual. For complete details and other important safety information, please see your owner's information.